Hey everyone, welcome back to Stocks Telegraph, the place where we break down the latest news, trends, and analysis on the top stocks in the market. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our stock updates and deep dives. Now, in today's video, we're diving into one of the most talked about fintech companies in the market right now, SoFi Technologies Incorporated, ticker symbol SOFI. This digital personal finance company has been making some serious waves over the past few years, evolving from a student loan refinancing platform into a fully diversified financial services giant. From personal loans, insurance, trading, to even cryptocurrency services, SoFi is doing it all. So, how's the stock performing? And what's next for this fast-growing tech company? Stay tuned as we break down SoFi's latest financial updates, stock performance, and what you can expect moving forward. If you enjoy this content, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and drop a comment with your thoughts on SoFi's future. We'd love to hear from you. Let's kick things off by taking a look at SoFi's stock performance. Right now, SoFi is trading at $14.11 per share, and just recently, it hit a new 52-week high of $14.44. Pretty impressive, right? This surge has been fueled by a combination of solid quarterly earnings and growing optimism in the market. Plus, there's been some speculation that the regulatory environment could turn more favorable thanks to political shifts, especially after the recent political developments with Donald Trump's presidential win. In the last 12 months, SoFi has seen a massive 106% increase in its stock price, and even more recently, just in the last month, it's jumped 56.6%. These numbers suggest that the market is extremely bullish on SoFi's long-term prospects. Analysts seem to share this optimistic view. The consensus rating for SoFi Technologies stock is 2.79, which is just below a buy rating though. Like any stock, there are always a few mixed opinions. Now let's talk about SoFi Technologies' financials. The company is showing some solid fundamentals. First, let's talk about the return on equity, which is sitting at 1.96%. While that's not huge, it's still a positive sign of profitability. The gross margin is a healthy 59.38%, showing that SoFi is able to generate strong profitability even with the cost of goods sold. SoFi's profit margin is also worth noting at 5.08%, meaning they're effectively converting their revenues into actual profits. And speaking of revenue, SoFi has seen a 133% increase in earnings per share this year, with another 135% increase expected next year. That's some rapid growth. Now let's dive into SoFi's Q3 2024 results, which were outstanding across the board. For the quarter ending September 30th, 2024, SoFi reported $697.1 million in total GAAP net revenue, marking a 30% year-over-year increase. But that's not all. Adjusted net revenue reached a record $689.4 million, also up by 30% from last year. And get this, SoFi's adjusted EBITDA hit an all-time high of $186.2 million, which translates into a 27% EBITDA margin. That's a 90% increase compared to the same period last year, and it shows that SoFi's operations are becoming more efficient and profitable as it grows. Even more exciting, SoFi Technologies reported $60.7 million in GAAP net income for the quarter, marking its fourth consecutive profitable quarter. For a fintech company that's relatively young, this is a major milestone. Looking ahead, SoFi is maintaining its strong growth outlook for the rest of 2024. The company now expects adjusted net revenue to land in the range of $2.535 billion to $2.50 billion, a revision upwards from its previous guidance. This reflects a solid 22% to 23% year-over-year growth, pretty much beating expectations across the board. SoFi is also growing its customer base rapidly. The company expects to add at least 2.3 million new members in 2024, representing a 30% growth in membership compared to last year. This is a strong indicator that SoFi's brand is gaining more traction and its customer acquisition strategies are paying off. In addition to remarkable financials, SoFi is enhancing its tech infrastructure. Recently, SoFi adopted Galileo's Cyberbank core, which powers a range of payment services for SoFi's commercial clients. This cloud-based system gives SoFi the ability to scale its operations more efficiently and securely. It also improves the overall customer experience, which is a huge competitive edge in the fintech space. Speaking of growth, SoFi is also expanding its lending and financial products. The company recently entered into a $2 billion loan platform partnership with Fortress Investment Group, which will allow SoFi to scale its personal loan offerings. And they've also launched 2 new credit cards, the SoFi Everyday Cash Rewards credit card and the SoFi Essential credit card, both designed based on feedback from members, offering better rewards and flexibility for a variety of customer needs. Let's talk about potential political changes. SoFi Technologies, which offers student loan refinancing, could be well positioned to benefit from shifts in U.S. student loan policy, especially if Republicans push to reduce federal involvement in the student loan market. With government control over nearly $1.7 trillion in student loans, if the GOP succeeds in shifting more of this market to private lenders, companies like SoFi could see a massive growth opportunity. SoFi Technologies is clearly on an exciting trajectory. With strong earnings, outstanding growth in members, strategic partnerships, and continued expansion into new markets, this is definitely a company to keep an eye on. And with potential political shifts that could favor private lenders, the future looks even brighter for SoFi. So, what do you think? Do you believe SoFi Technologies will continue to thrive in the coming years? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Stocks Telegraph for more stock analysis and market insights. We'll be keeping an eye on SoFi as it continues to grow, so stay tuned for more updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.